Hey, listen, I'm trying to, so here in my hands, I have the July Naked Beauty box. I am so excited to get into this month's box because I just unboxed the June box like last week, and I remember that was the first box that I unboxed, and I was so impressed with the box. So since this is still a new box in my mind, I'm very excited to see what is inside of this month's box. I can't wait to see if it's going to be a new favorite of ours on our channel. So I don't remember any information about this box. World's best beauty unboxing YouTuber. I never remember prices, but I am here just to see if everything inside is exciting. Okay, so it says, thank you. Your skin is going to love you for this July's Naked Beauty box. And then there's a quote on the back. So now that you had a chance to read that, let's see what's inside. I have a card that has all of the information of what is inside of this month's box. Oh my freaking goodness. I love these so much. This is the Starry Eyes, the World Kindest Eye Mask, a self-forming eye mask. I love these so much. I got these in my Boxycharm a few months ago. I used all of them up within a week. They are seriously so relaxing. I used the first one when I had a migraine because I felt that these would really help with my head. And then since, like, after that, my migraine was better. I love these. They were just so relaxing. The weight on them felt very, like, amazing at nighttime. I have hair in my eye. I'm so sorry. They just, love these. I'm so excited to have more in my hands. I actually have, like, a stash of these just because I love them so much. Okay. The next thing that I have in here is this pure, we may have had a little bit of leakage. Yeah, we had some leakage, but it's okay. I'm not mad because the bottle's only filled to like right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, and the exterior of the bottle is very greasy. This says facial hair body oil, face, hair, and body oil. Okay. True beauty starts at the source, introducing nature's best kept secret, 100% pure cold pressed Mongoria. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that. Oil. It says 5,000 farmers served, 2 million Mongoria trees planted, and to use within 36 months. Ooh, so I don't know what this is supposed to do, but I'm very excited. I've never even heard of this oil. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is what it is, in case you do know what it is and what it's supposed to do. Okay, so here's everything else we have inside of the box. I see a bunch of masks, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab them. This is the Rosa Biocellulose Peel Mask. This is a Flower Water Brightening Mask. Let me show you what they look like. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Mask. And this is a charcoal clarifying mask. Okay, so we got 4 different masks in here. One of like different, like each one is different, which I'm totally on board with because I can't use charcoal. So if I got 4 charcoal masks, I would have been kind of bummed, but I'm looking through and I've got 3 that I'm very excited to use. The next thing that we got, I'm so excited to see what it is. This is lip balm, my favorite thing. I literally cannot stand having my lips not having anything on them. I'm always obsessively applying chapstick and or lip balm, so that's my weird quirk. This has lemon oil, coconut oil, beeswax, sweet almond, and avocado oil. So let's see what's in this bad boy. I'm excited to try it out. Okay, so let's take a look at the packaging. So simple, super beautiful, love it. And let's try it out. So I accidentally may have damaged mine a little bit. Here's what it looks like. Whoops. It has a no scent to it. It doesn't have a flavor. I don't know. It said lemon oil, so I was like, yeah, this is gonna taste good. It doesn't really have a flavor. It feels a little tiny itty-bitty grainy to it, but I love how thick it feels. Like that's what I look for in a lip balm. And then the last but not least, we have Pedi in a Box, a waterless pedicure system. It has a sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. I have never had a pedicure in my entire life, but having this, I'm so excited. And I've never even heard of something like this. I didn't even know something like this even existed. So I'm so excited to try that out. Okay, let's take a look. I'm just so impressed with this box. I can't believe I haven't even heard more people talk about it. I feel like this box is so well balanced and it's offering so many different and unique products. I'm very happy with this box. So the waterless 3-step pedi in a box. Guess how much that cost? You're gonna be like, what? Okay, I was expecting to be like $15, $20. No, it's $4.40. That's freaking incredible. Holy crap. Okay, so the Pop Mask Starry Eyes has a retail value of $20, which I know that it does. The True Mongoria Pure Morgornia. I don't know. I'm going to say 8 million different ways. Has a retail value of 36. The package of different masks has a retail value of 33. So it's 33 for all 4. I'm not familiar with that brand. I've never heard of Midflower. I don't know what that breaks down to per mask. I do feel like that's kind of expensive, but I don't know. I literally don't know about masks. Sometimes I'm like, yeah, that sounds reasonable. And then other times I'm like, So don't trust my opinion on that. And the City and Sage Lip Balm has a retail value of $4. So I don't know what this puts the entire box at, but if you're good at math, let us know. Let us know how much this costs in the comment section. So I'm so hyped about this box. I literally can't wait to see what's in next month's box. What was your favorite item? I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.